and welcome to iTEL's first practical tips for Moodle video. This is going to be something we do every 2 weeks, and today we are going to talk about the new ATTO text editor. If you go to any resource or activity in your Moodle course, you can see the new ATTO text editor when you go to Edit. It looks similar to the previous TinyMCE text editor, and the real strength of ATTO is that it now automatically saves your content. So if you say lose internet connection or your login to Moodle times out, your content should be saved for you to go back to, which didn't exist with the TinyMCE editor. And there's pros and cons for both. The pro is with ATTO is that it's part of core Moodle, so that means that it's going to be more fully featured as Moodle evolves. So that's why we've decided to move to it. The con of ATTO text editor is that as it's not fully developed, the TinyMCE text editor, which has been around for a while, has some nice features which you may want to go back to. So for example, if we click on this show more buttons feature of ATTO, and we look at the adding a table, it's pretty basic. There's not quite the same ease of use for adding tables, but you know, it works if you know how many rows, how many columns you want in your table. It does the basics. But if I'm going to be creating a more sophisticated table, and I want to go back to TinyMCE, how do I do that there? Well, what you do is you go to your profile in the top right hand corner, and under preferences go edit profile, and then let's expand all in the top right. And if we look for preferences down here, text editor, there's the default, the ATTO HTML editor. So I choose TinyMCE and then go update profile, and then go back to that page, turn editing on, and I go to add my table. Here we get back to having the more advanced properties of the TinyMCE editor. But as I said, your content will not be automatically saved. So have a look at the ATTO text editor, and I suggest that you determine when you go to TinyMCE to solve a specific problem, but in general stick with ATTO because your content will automatically be saved. And in case you're wondering, this here video has been recorded with Adobe Presenter Express Video, which you can have installed on your machine by ICT services.